Welcome! The following video will show you how to use your ELAN Touch Panel, or the ELAN 8 app, to add music favorites to your ELAN system. The Favorites list allows you to quickly access a variety of music stations or albums from one single location. Note, if you're using the ELAN 8 app and your mobile device is in portrait orientation, your menu format and button locations may be slightly different from what you see in this example. Simply rotate your device to a landscape orientation to resemble the format shown in this video. To add a new favorite music station, begin by tapping the Media tab. The Media Zones page will display. If you're currently streaming any music to any of your rooms, you'll see the music icon next to that room's name. Note, depending on your dealer and provider, your music icon may look different from what you see in this example. Select one of your rooms. You'll see the currently streaming station on screen. If you'd like to add the currently streaming station to your favorites list, tap the heart icon with the plus sign in the middle. To access your favorites list, locate the Streaming Services menu and tap the heart icon. You'll notice the station you just added is now listed within your Favorites menu. Want to remove a favorite from the list? Tap the name of the station or album you want to remove, and then tap the X icon. The station's now removed from your Favorites list. To add another station to your Favorites list, you'll first need to stream the desired station. Tap the back arrow, then select the desired station's streaming service, and then select the desired station. Once the radio station begins streaming, tap the heart icon containing a plus sign. Once again, you can locate the Streaming Services menu, tap the heart icon, and view the newly added station within your Favorites menu. Enjoy streaming all of your favorite music stations to your ELAN system. For additional questions regarding audio streaming and favorites, contact your ELAN integration professional.